Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Salesforce Lightning Flow for lead routing step by step clearly. To set up Salesforce Lightning Flow for lead routing, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher and search for Flow. Select Flow from the results. Click on the New Flow button to create a new flow. Choose Screen Flow as your flow type. Click on the Create button to start building your flow. To add a new variable for lead data, click on the Manager tab. Select New Resource and then choose Variable. Name your variable lead record and set the data type to record. Specify the object as lead. Next, drag the Get Records element onto the flow canvas. Label it Get Leads and set the object to lead. Filter the records based on your criteria, such as lead status equals new. Store the records in the lead record variable. Add a decision element to determine routing criteria. Label the decision based on your lead routing logic, like lead type decision. Create outcomes based on the specific lead types or sources you want to route. For each outcome, specify the condition that must be met for the lead to proceed down that path. Next, drag the Update Records element onto the canvas for each outcome. Label each update action according to the lead routing decision. Set the records to update as the lead record variable. Map the appropriate fields to update the lead assignments, such as assigning to the right salesperson. After setting up the update actions, add a finish element to conclude your flow. Ensure you connect all elements logically to create a cohesive flow path. Click on the Save button to save your work. Provide a name and description for your flow to easily identify it later. Finally, click on the Activate button to make the flow live. To test your flow, return to the flow setup and use the Run feature to simulate lead routing. Monitor the flow's performance after implementation to ensure it meets your lead routing requirements. You have successfully set up Salesforce Lightning Flow for lead routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.